It's raining really bad. There's Cole. There's Cole and me. We're in this gigantic storm. Oh my god. Everyone's getting pummeled by hail. This gigantic hailstorm. Look how bad it is. Oh, we're gonna die. Ah! We're trying to leave now. There's a lot of really bad hail and everything. Look at the hail on the windshields of the cars. There are leaves all over my window. This is really bad hail. I'm gonna be quiet so you guys can listen how bad it is right now.
Okay.
Hey, it's a little bit better.
If I don't make it out of here alive, we're in a huge hailstorm.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure we're gonna die.
It is a gigantic hailstorm. If I don't make it here out alive, I just want to say,
Yeah, car's required. You think it really is required? No. I thought so.
really bad hail.
We're gonna go into like a sort of a
Parking garage thing.
And okay.
Oh my god.
Wow. I think one of our windows may have cracked off of all of that hail.
So there's.
You don't really see a crack, do you?
I mean, no, I don't see a crack, but
So we just had really bad hails out there. Bad rain and hail. It's a gigantic hailstorm.
Okay, we're gonna check the damage now. We're gonna get out and check the damage of
Okay.
the car.
And we're gonna go outside and check the damage of the car. So I'll be right back with you when we're outside the car.
I'll go ahead and show you guys.
So the car.
Ice. That's the hail.
Paul. So this is the highs. The size of the hail is a little bit. Is around. I don't even know how big is that. It's like how big? If you guys can see. Let me get under a light. It's about that big. Not too big, but it's kind of small.
That did the car thing?
What?
That did the car thing?
That's what I'm looking to feel. I don't.
We're out in the middle of it out there.
I don't know.
No, yeah.
So guys, we had some pretty bad hail, but I don't think it didn't hit the car already. I think we're good. So I'm getting slight. So we had some pretty bad hail. I don't think it didn't hit the car any. The hair was only a little bit, but it was like getting storms. So I'm gonna go show you guys. Go watch them all. Go watch them all. Go look at the rain. 15. Call you back in a second, guys. Hey guys, so behind me is like really awful hail.
It's like way more terrifying.
You can see I'm a little soaked. Me and Paul are both making a video here.
Hey, if you guys can see,
So
all
it's
of that fucking is
really bad hail.
it's like all this rain and hail.
Yeah, everything is all rain and hail. It's really, really bad. So I'm just gonna make a little thing. Don't slip, Jacob.
No. I got so.
How was epic running?
So it just started raining a little bit harder, and
It's raining a little bit harder, guys.
I don't know if you can see all this clearly, but this is like super terrifying. I think we're in the middle of like a supercell or something.
I think it was a lot more terrifying when we were actually in the car.
Yeah.
The hail was pretty bad.
I mean, look at all the grass on the ground. Look.
Yeah, look at all the grass.
I'm like, it's just like on the road.
If you look over there,
Okay.
you know where the grass on the road
also-
going from this hill.
There is like
This is some crazy hailstorms. So I'll be back with you when something interesting happens. Okay, guys? Okay, everyone. I'm going to upload this video on my new channel, Jacob and Paul Vlogs. Jacob and Paul Vlogs.
A.
So if you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you think that this is crazy intense hail, comment. What?
Okay.
So I'm not done yet, but I'm going to show you a little bit more stuff. So be back in a second, guys.
My gosh.
Okay, listen to all the noise that those cars make when they're going up the road with all the hail. It is really loud. I feel bad for those people over there because they don't, like, they're in the middle of everything. Right over there. You see them, they're in orange and gray.
Okay.
This is crazy.
My hair is just getting like destroyed.
His hair is messed up.
We came here from Max Air. And
Yeah, we just went to Max Air. We couldn't bring our stuff inside to plug it, but
so my hair
it was really crazy.
sweaty from that.
And I didn't all my stuff from that.
Water
So.
It's just destroying my like shirt and also my hair. And
Yeah,
oh my gosh,
it's pretty crazy, guys.
this rainstorm is just.
Yeah.
And we were just walking. All of a sudden, sheets of rain, and then like it starts hailing down on us.
I know, it's crazy.
And then we all just like bolted to the car. I did some like weird acrobatic stuff just to get into the car. I just like jumped, hold onto the roof, and like swing over to my side.
Insane rain, hail, supercell is what we were just in. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys. Hit the button. Bye, guys. Peace.